Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Stripe for recurring payments and payment plans. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to stripe.com. Over here. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner. After that, enter your email and password, then click sign in. Then, if asked, enter the verification code sent to your device or email. Over here, once logged in, you'll be on the dashboard. Click on Billing from the left menu. After that, click on Subscriptions and click to create a new subscription. Over here, enter the customer's name or email. After that, set the duration of the plan like monthly or yearly. Then, add the product or service for the subscription. After that, choose when the billing cycle should start. Then, select the payment method for the customer. Over here, double check all the details. After that, click Create to finalize the subscription. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next